Hi everyone. Let's solve for x. Okay, so we have to square both sides of this equation in order to remove these square roots, right? So we square 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x squared is equal to square root of 12 to the power of x minus 16 to the power of x squared. Okay, so we have 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x squared is equal to, this will cancel this, so we have 12 to the power of x minus 16 to the power of x. All right, so we have 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x squared is equal to 12 is same thing as 3 multiplied by 4, right? Raised to the power of x minus 16 is same thing as 4 multiplied by 4 raised to the power of x as well. So we have 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x raised to the power of 2 is equal to, recall that a multiplied by b raised to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n multiplied by b to the power of n. Therefore, we can write this as 3 to the power of x multiplied by 4 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x multiplied by 4 to the power of x as well. Now, we have 4 to the power of x, 4 to the power of x. Let's factorize the right hand side. So we have 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x all squared is equal to, let's bring out 4 to the power of x. Now when this is divided by this, we have 3 to the power of x. When this is divided by this, we have 4 to the power of x. Okay, all right. Now let's bring this to this side of the equation. If we do that, we have 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x all squared. Then we are going to subtract this, right? Minus 4 to the power of x bracket 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x is equal to 0. Now, if you look closely, you're going to see that we have the same thing inside the bracket. So let's call it something. So we can say let 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x be equal to y. So if we call this y, that means we have y squared here, right? Y squared minus 4 to the power of x multiplied by y is equal to 0. Now we have y. Let's factorize one out first. So we have y bracket. So y squared divided by y will give us y, and 4 to the power of x divided by multiplied by y divided by this y will give us 4 to the power of x is equal to 0. So from here we can see that y is equal to 0, and also that y minus 4 to the power of x is also equal to 0. Now recall, if we say that y is equal to 0, recall that our y is equal to what? Say 3 to the power of x minus what? 4 to the power of x. So that means that we can substitute that right here, right? And say for y equals 0, we can say that 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x is equal to 0. Now, if this is the first time you're seeing us, the first time you're coming across this channel, please click on the subscription button, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss our amazing videos. We upload videos daily, so tune in at your convenience to watch our new uploads. Okay, and please give us a thumbs up if you're actually enjoying this video. Now, at this point, we have that 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x is equal to 0. So let's take this to this side of the equation. Okay, so if we do that, we have 3 to the power of x is equal to 4 to the power of x. Now let's divide both sides of this equation by 4 to the power of x. Okay, so we have 3 to the power of x divided by 4 to the power of x, okay, is equal to 4 to the power of x divided by 4 to the power of x. Now, when you have a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m, it is equal to a divided by b raised to the power of m. So that means that here we can write here as 3 divided by 4 raised to the power of m is equal to 1, because this will divide itself to give us 1. Now, Once sorry, it's not m, we have x here instead. So you have x, the x you are looking for. Now inside you have the variable you are looking for as your power. You are going to introduce log in order to bring down the x and then solve. So we need to introduce log to both sides of this equation. So we have log 3 over 4 to the power of x is equal to log 1. Now when you have log a to the power of b, this is equal to b multiplied by log a. Okay, so that simply means that we can write this as x multiplied by log 3 over 4 is equal to, now log 1 is 0, right? Yes, it's 0, sorry. All right, now we have x log 3 over 4 divided by log 3 over 4. Yes, because we want to get the value of x. The only way to do that is to divide both sides of this equation by log 3 over 4. So we have x log 3 over 4 divided by log 3 over 4 is equal to 0 divided by log 3 over 4. Okay, so this we cancel this and we have that x is equal to 0 divided by anything is 0. Perfect. Now let us solve this second side. This second part that say y minus 4 to the power of x is equal to 0. Okay. All right. Permit me to draw this line. So this is what we have. That y minus 4 to the power of x is equal to 0. So our y, recall that our y, but our y is equal to 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x. So we substitute that here. So we are going to have 3 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x is equal to 0. So we have 3 to the power of x. Now minus 4 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x is minus 2 bracket 4 to the power of x, right? Is equal to 0. Now let's transfer this to this side of the equation. If we do that, we have 3 to the power of x is equal to 2 bracket 4 to the power of x. Now let's divide both sides of this equation by 4 to the power of x. So we have 3 to the power of x divided by 4 to the power of x is equal to 2 bracket 4 to the power of x divided by 4 to the power of x. Now this will cancel this. Then for this side, we can say 3 over 4 raised to the power of x is equal to 2. Now we have our variable as power. So the only thing that will help us right now is to introduce log to both sides as well. So we introduce log 3 over 4 raised to the power of x is equal to log 2. So this will come down using the power rule, right? That says that log a to the power of b is equal to b multiplied by log a. Okay, so x will come down to give us x log 3 over 4 is equal to log 2. Okay, all right. Now at this point, to get the value of x, we divide both sides by log 3 over 4 divided by log 3 over 4. Okay, now log 3 over 4 will cancel log 3 over 4. So we have x is equal to log 2 base 3 over 4. Yes, because when you have log a divided by log b, it is equal to log a base b. Okay, so this is a logarithm rule. So that means that this is the value of our x. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.